Listen good, dear students. This week, we are going to learn how to use made of. Using made of, performance indicators. Use made of through images. To start, we are going to remember the vocabulary of the materials. So we have wood, we have plastic, we have metal, we have glass, and we have paper. So, what is this? This is a pencil. What is it made of? The pencil is made of wood. What is this? This is a window. What is made of? The window is made of glass. Very good. What is this? It's a scooter. Very good. What is it made of? The scooter is made of glass. What is this? This is a book. What is it made of? The book is made of paper. And what is this? This is a ruler. Very good. And what is it made of? The ruler is made of plastic. So, we use the word made of to say está hecho de. Okay, dear students. Thank you very much for your attention. Bye-bye.